Yan, ang cute naman. Ang bangs mo. Well, I wanted to tell you something, baby girl. Do you know why daddy is so proud and happy to be your dad? Do you know why?
No.
Well, I'm so proud and happy to be your dad. Number one, because you're becoming a great person. Okay? God made you beautiful inside and outside. That means God made you a beautiful person with a great personality, intelligence and creativity and kindness. And He also made you beautiful from the outside. You're so beautiful and pretty. And we're so glad, Mommy and I, that we get to take care of you and help you become the greatest person you can be. Of course, you're not perfect. There are many things to improve on. But remember, nobody's perfect, okay? Even Daddy and Mommy are not perfect. But we always try to improve on things so that we can be the best we can be. Okay? Right? But having said that, we're just so proud and happy to be your dad and your mommy to be your mom and continue to be the creative person, the helpful person, and the intelligent and focused person that you are. You do so many things, helping Lolo, and then the blanket, thinking about the next person here, and you're so focused on school, you're an honor student. Yun lang, you do so many great things, you're just a wonderful person, and right now, the one thing we can improve is the diet. Okay, may you eat many more things, you know this already, right? Healthy vegetables and other kinds of food. Okay? Other than that, you're such a beautiful, beautiful girl. And I want to let you know that before I go back to Vietnam, okay? And, ano pa ba? You're also a great, now you're becoming a good video gamer. You just need a little bit more patience, but you'll get there. And, ano pa ba? You're a great traveler, you're very patient, you don't complain much.
You just said you'll be more patient. You're very patient.
Yes, sometimes in video games you lose your patience, but when you're traveling, you're very patient. You don't
When
complain.
was the last time I was impatient?
Well, there was this challenge in Little Big Planet, and then you're not able to overcome the challenge, and then you kind of quit.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you said, "This is the last time I'm playing it tonight."
No, I didn't. You're the one who said that.
Did you say that last night? If I die here, this is the last time I'm playing it tonight.
Yeah, because I didn't have time. Because it was like 11.
Okay. So overall, it was a great experience, and I look forward to seeing you grow and become a great person and mother and daughter and woman and child of God. But at the same time, I'm so sad to see you leave being a kid, because being a kid is the happiest time of your life and our lives too. But we're very happy to see you grow up and become independent. Remember, what is mommy and daddy's goal? What's our goal?
I don't know.
That you get to have
Heavy.
that you get to heaven.
Heavy.
Okay, that's the goal, that you become an angel or a saint. Okay? That's mommy and daddy's goal, to make sure that you're gonna be the best child of God ever. And that's it. We're going back now to Makati, and it's gonna be very busy for the next few days for daddy as he travels. And I will see each other soon in Da Nang and Japan and Manila and just all over the world. Thank you, Lord, for all our blessings. Love you. Good day. We're running late because Richard Lingad did not announce cancellation of classes. So
What
now we
time
gotta
is
go.
it? What time is it?